Hello, in this video we're going to make electric flag hosting. Let's look at the components that we'll need for this project. The long bending wire, some double-sided tape, a female-to-female jumper wire, a 9-volt battery, the Indian flag paper print, a motor, a switch, the base cardboard, 2 black cylindrical blocks, and battery connector. Now these are some components and items that you'll have to source from your home for this project. Some glue to stick the paper, then a matchstick. If you don't want to use a matchstick, you can use the short bending wire that comes in the kit. Then some thread, any kind of tape. I am using a sellotape here, and a rubber band. Rubber band is optional, you can skip it. You can use the same tape instead, but I'll be using the rubber band for this project. Firstly, color the flag with some crayons or sketch pen. After coloring is done, cut out the flag from the paper. Also cut a small rectangle from the unused paper area. We'll need this later. Now fold the flag in half. Exactly like this. Now take the thread and we're going to stick the thread in the middle of the flag. Use some glue. Now place your thread in the middle of one side. Now close it with the other side. Make sure the thread is in the middle of the flag. Now keep it aside to dry. While our paper craft is drying, let's build the pulling machine with these components. Firstly, cut a slim double-sided tape. Stick the double-sided tape on the shaft like this. Then press it so that the tape also sticks to itself. After it's done, peel the protective paper off. Then stick the small rectangular paper on the double-sided tape that we cut earlier from unused paper. Put some glue so the paper sticks to itself properly. Now connect the battery connector to the battery. Then stick it in the middle of the cardboard with some double-sided tape. Similarly, stick the motor on the cardboard beside the battery. Like this. Then cut another tiny piece of double-sided tape and stick the switch on top of the battery like this. Now hook the positive wire of the battery connector to one end of the switch. Exactly like this. Then take the female-to-female jumper wire and connect the negative wire of the battery connector and one wire of the motor together. Then connect the other wire of the motor to the other end of the switch. The connections are now done. Now take the long bending wire. You have to pull it out, straighten it a bit, then fold it in half, exactly like this. Now from the top, we will be twisting the bending wire like this. If it seems too hard for you, you can take help of an adult. Here I have created a small loop at the top of the wire and twisted it and left some space at the bottom. What we are going to do now is create another loop near the bottom. Use a plier to do this. Simply make a loop. We have successfully made a loop. Now what you're going to do next is bend the first loop to the exact side that the second loop is. It should come out something like this. Now insert the ends of the bending wire into the hole of the cylindrical blocks. So we have successfully inserted our bending wire into the cylindrical blocks. If the hole is too tight, you can try to enlarge the hole with a compass or a needle. Now take the rubber band and fix the cylindrical blocks with each other. If you don't have a rubber band, you can simply use a tape. Now stick two pieces of double-sided tape on the base at this side of the battery, and we're going to stick the cylindrical blocks on it in a way that the loops are facing the motor. Now take our flag paper craft, take its upper thread and pass it through the top loop. Like this. Now we're going to tie the upper thread of the flag to the shaft of the motor. Then cut the excess thread. Now press the switch once and turn it off as soon as the flag hits the top. Now pass the lower thread through the bottom loop and this is where we are going to tie our matchstick, which will act as a limiter. We have successfully tied the stake with the lower thread. Now, slowly pull the stick downwards So guys, our electric flag hosting project is ready. Now let's check the output. Thanks for watching.